are going to love the 2015 BMW X5 M. Now the discerning customer has the opportunity to enjoy the unique high-performance character of a BMW M car, also in the segment of BMW X models. The BMW X5 M and the BMW X6 M are the first all-wheel drive models to offer the supreme performance, dynamic driving features, athletic design, and premium quality of a typical BMW M car. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.